Hey guys, welcome to funbrain.com. I'm going to give you guys a brief introduction on how to navigate the educational website and show you all the great things it has to offer. Funbrain offers hundreds of free games, videos, books, and cosmetics. The website is designed for kids in grades pre-K through 8th, which is shown at the top right here. And then when you go to the top right, users are able to choose if they're interested in games, reading, videos, playground, or math zone. On the original screen, you'll see popular games broadcasted, and then below that, popular videos, and then popular books, and then it goes to new games, new videos, new books. So then on the side here are just some advertisements. But I'm going to click the 5th grade reading level right here, and it lets you know that this is 5th grade, and then it right here is shown the most popular book, which if you want to click read now, it's Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and then up here it lets you know that this is 5th grade to 8th grade, and you can use these arrows to click the next page, or you can go back, and then if you go below, it just gives you some book information, and you have the option to buy the book, and then it just lets you know who the book is written by. So then if I click games, say I click math zone, I'm just going to play tic-tac-toe square, so this is for all grades. I'm going to click play now, and then you have the option to choose easy, medium, hard, or super brain, so it just helps practice addition. So then you just go, continue. So they won, so if I wanted to go to games here, I can choose Vine Time, which is also for all grades, and it tells you how to play, and it gives you the game controls that you're going to need to use. So you just take his hands and you pick the fruit, and then you put it in the basket, and it'll count for you. Okay, just below that you can also browse by grade type down here, and then, or browse by type, and then over here to the right, it's just all about Funbrain, and it's mostly for teachers and parents and guardians to see. So if I went back to Funbrain, I think that this website is really well structured for kids because it's all colorful, it's easy to read, there's so many different things to do on it. It's kind of hard for the kids to get bored after a while, so thanks for watching, guys.